Okay, in this video I'm going to talk about the model blanket. I'm going to use a plane and alright, make sure that you give enough segment for your plane so that you will have better quality of the cloth effect. And press F4. This time I use 50 times 50 and then I give it you edit poly. Choose vertex. I want to create a folding effect for my blanket. Open the object property, choose it as a cotton. If you want it has some volume same as your pillow, you can give some positive number for the pressure. And then go to bottom, make sure that you've turned on gravity. If you want to have better results, you can decrease the number of steps and decrease the number of quality, but it will take longer time for your computer to do the calculation. And this time we need to turn on the self-collision. And I go to object property again. This time I want to add object, the footer board, left board, right board, and also the mattress. And I set them as the collision object. You can use simulate local. It will simulate the result faster, but with simple result, which not as good as the simulate. Before I do everything, I want to give a shell. Yep, to my object, so that the front and the bottom is also available. Otherwise, the polygon, there's only one side of the polygon is valid to our camera. So this time I want to try to use the simulate to show you what's the difference between simulate and simulate local. If you are using simulate, your computer will help you simulate the effect and store it frame by frame in your timeline. And also there's some message will show it will show you the calculation of your computer. In this case I got some problem because the velocity, that means the vertex and the blanket are dropping too fast. So the computer do not have enough time to help me to calculate the better result for the collision. So I cancel it first. You see this is the collision. If you want to have better collision, you can decrease this number. And also you can also decrease the number of the gravity, so that up to decrease the velocity, that means the movement of your blanket, so that your computer will calculate better results for your collision. And you will also see that if you use a simulation, the computer will help you step by step to store all the results frame by frame in your timeline. If 100 frames are not enough for your calculation, you can click this icon to increase the number of your timeline. Okay. In this case, I want to do a faster simulation, so I use simulate local only, so that my computer will calculate faster, but the results are not as good as I thought. For you, if you're doing your assignment, I suggest that you use simulate and try to adjust this number. Okay, in this case, I think it's worse. So I want to erase all the simulation. That means erase all the frames stored by my computer. And I want to change all this number so that and then do the simulate again. Okay, I'll cancel it first. Let's see if I'm satisfied with this result. I'm going to adjust it a bit. You can also go to object property to change for example, the number of pressure. Increase it a bit and turn off the gravity to ask it to simulate again. You see that your blanket is growing. Increasing the volume. And also you can use edit poly to refine the shape of your blanket. I choose polygon and use my keyboard control key to double click to select a row of polygon. Control key, holding your keyboard control key to double click it. And then you can also choose vertex or polygon and then turn on source selection. Increase the number of fall off so that you can adjust a large area of vertex. Okay, I'm now going to refine the blanket again. Okay, I'll finish the modeling, and the next video I will talk about how to apply the material on our object.